Filing an insurance claim can feel overwhelming. We've all been there. Don't worry, take a deep breath. It's important to stay calm. The process can be manageable if you stay organized and take it step by step. Remember, your insurance company is there to help you through this. Start by assessing the damage to your home. What's affected? Make a list. This will be helpful when you contact your insurance company. Remember, your safety is the top priority. If the damage is severe, evacuate your home until it's safe to return. Once you're safe, take a moment to breathe. Dealing with damage can be stressful, but you've got this. We'll walk through the process together. Before you start digging through debris or assessing damage, make sure your home is safe. If there's any risk of further damage or harm, evacuate immediately. Contact your local emergency services if needed. Once it's safe to return, look for hazards like broken glass, exposed nails, or structural damage. Don't attempt to move or fix anything that could be dangerous. Your safety and the safety of your loved ones come first. If you need to leave your home, secure it as best as possible. Board up broken windows and doors to prevent further damage or theft. Let your insurance company know you've taken these precautions. Now it's time to document the damage. Grab your phone or camera and start taking pictures. Clear, detailed photos are crucial for your claim. Photograph all damaged areas and belongings from various angles. Don't just rely on photos, though. Videos can be incredibly helpful in showing the extent of the damage. Walk through your home, slowly panning across each affected area. Narrate what you see, describing the damage clearly. Remember, the more detailed your documentation, the smoother your claim process will be. Keep all your photos and videos organized in a safe place. You'll need them when you file your claim. With safety addressed and your home documented, it's time to contact your insurance company. Find their phone number on your policy documents or their website. Have your policy number handy when you call. Explain the situation to the representative clearly and calmly. Describe the damage and when it occurred. They will guide you through the initial claim process and answer any immediate questions you may have. Take detailed notes during the call. Write down the representative's name, their contact information, and your claim number. This information is crucial for future communication and reference. Section 5. The Adjuster's Visit, What to Expect. This section will guide you through the process of what happens when an insurance adjuster visits your home after you filed a claim. Once you've filed your claim, the insurance company will assign an adjuster to your case. This adjuster is a professional who will evaluate the damage to your property and help determine the compensation you are entitled to. The adjuster will contact you to schedule a visit to assess the damage firsthand. This initial contact is crucial as it sets the stage for the entire claims process. Make sure to be available and responsive. Be prepared for their visit by organizing your documentation and making a list of any questions you have. Gather all relevant paperwork, such as receipts, photos of the damage, and any previous correspondence with the insurance company. During the visit, walk the adjuster through your home, showing them the damage. Point out all areas affected, even those that might seem minor. The more thorough you are, the better the assessment will be. Answer their questions honestly and clearly. Providing accurate information will help ensure a fair evaluation of your claim. Don't be afraid to point out details or concerns you have. If there are specific areas you are worried about, make sure to bring them to the adjuster's attention. Remember, the adjuster is there to evaluate the damage and determine the extent of the insurance company's liability. They will take notes, measurements, and photographs to document everything. Be polite and cooperative, but don't be afraid to advocate for yourself and ensure all damage is properly assessed. A constructive discussion can lead to a more accurate and fair settlement. Your active participation is key to a successful claims process. Section 6. Stay in touch. Communication is key. Effective communication is the cornerstone of a smooth insurance claim process. It ensures that all parties are on the same page and that any potential issues are addressed promptly. After the adjuster's visit, communication is crucial. This is the time to clarify any doubts and ensure that you understand the next steps in the process. Keep in touch with your insurance company and respond to their requests promptly. Timely responses can prevent delays and help expedite your claim. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. It's better to ask questions early on than to face complications later. They are there to help guide you through this. Insurance agents and adjusters are trained to assist you, so make use of their expertise. Keep a record of all communication, including emails, phone calls, and letters. This will help you track the progress of your claim and provide a reference if needed. Note the date, time, and the names of the people you speak with. Detailed records can be invaluable if any discrepancies arise. This documentation will be valuable if any disputes or issues arise during the claim process. It serves as evidence of your diligence and proactive approach. Remember, staying organized and communicative will help your claim move along smoothly. Organization reduces stress and ensures that you have all necessary information at your fingertips. It also shows the insurance company that you're proactive and engaged in the process. Demonstrating your commitment can lead to a more favorable outcome for your claim. Section 7. Patience is a virtue waiting for authorization. While it's tempting to start repairs immediately, it's crucial to wait for authorization from your insurance company. Beginning repairs before they've assessed the damage and approved your claim could result in denied coverage. Use this time to research reputable contractors in your area. Get multiple quotes and compare their services and pricing. Once you have a few options, share them with your insurance company for approval. Remember, patience is key during this phase. It might be frustrating to wait, but it's essential to follow the proper procedures to ensure your claim is successful. Section 8. Organization is your best friend. Keep it together. Throughout the claims process, staying organized is crucial. Keep all your documents in one central location. This includes your policy documents, claim forms, correspondence with your insurance company, photos, and videos. Create a system that works for you. Use folders, binders, or digital tools to keep everything sorted and easily accessible. This will prevent lost documents and save you time and stress in the long run. Remember, a well-organized claim file will help you stay on top of deadlines, track progress, and answer any questions that may arise. It's a small step that can make a big difference in the overall process. Section 9. Read before you sign. Understanding your policy. Before you sign any documents or agreements, take the time to read them carefully. Understand what you're agreeing to, especially regarding repair estimates and payment terms. If anything is unclear or you have questions, don't hesitate to ask your insurance company or a legal professional for clarification. It's crucial to feel comfortable and confident with every step of the process. Remember, your insurance policy is a legal contract. Understanding its terms and conditions will help you navigate the claim process smoothly and ensure you receive the coverage you deserve. Section 10. The final walkthrough. Ensuring quality repairs. Once repairs are complete, don't rush to finalize your claim. Conduct a thorough walkthrough with your contractor. Inspect the work closely to ensure it meets your expectations and complies with the agreed-upon scope of work. Make a list of any deficiencies or areas that need attention. Don't be afraid to voice your concerns and request adjustments or corrections. Your satisfaction with the repairs is paramount. Remember, this is your chance to ensure the repairs are done correctly and to your liking. Don't settle for subpar work. It's your home, and you deserve to be happy with the results. Section 11. Claim approved. Time to breathe and rebuild. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the culmination of all your efforts and patience. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the insurance claim process. It's been a challenging road filled with paperwork, phone calls, and perhaps a few sleepless nights, but you've made it through. It's been a journey, but you've reached the finish line. The relief and joy you feel now are well-deserved. Every step you took has led you to this point. Take a deep breath and allow yourself a moment to appreciate your resilience and hard work. This is your time to relax and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Now comes the rewarding part, rebuilding and restoring your home. Watching the transformation unfold is a truly gratifying experience. Use this experience as an opportunity to refresh your space, incorporate new ideas, and create a home that's even more beautiful and functional than before. Think about the colors, the textures, and the little details that will make your home uniquely yours. Remember, your home is more than just bricks and mortar. It's a sanctuary, a place where memories are made and cherished. It's a reflection of you, your family, and your story. Every corner, every room tells a part of your journey. Embrace this new chapter with open arms and look forward to creating new memories in your revitalized space. This is a fresh start, a new beginning, and the perfect time to make your house truly feel like home.